Seek and LinkedIn Jobs are not the best places to search for online advertised jobs. There are far better online job websites in New Zealand and Australia to find your next role. In this video, I will show you better places to search for online advertised jobs, plus I will show you where to find 80% of the job market where the jobs are never advertised. That's the hidden job market. I'm Zerels, an international career strategist, and during the last few years, I've helped hundreds of top international candidates land their dream jobs around the world without having to apply online. In this video, I'll walk you through 2 reasons why Seek New Zealand and Seek Australia and LinkedIn Jobs are not the best online job websites to find your next role. I'll show you better websites, plus I'll show you how to get the jobs that are never advertised. Let's begin. The first reason that Seek New Zealand and Australia and LinkedIn Jobs are not the best places to search for jobs online is because most jobs just don't get advertised. Here's why. Seek and LinkedIn Jobs are websites where employers go to advertise a vacancy. However, it's very expensive for an employer to advertise on Seek and LinkedIn Jobs. It costs an employer between $950 and $2,750 to advertise one job on Seek for 1 month. Here is the reason for it. If you Google how much does it cost to advertise a job on Seek, this is the result that you will get. Advertising costs on Seek, you can check this out, and that is the talent website at Seek. But you will also see in many other places how much it actually costs for an employer to advertise a job. For example, here you can see the upfront costs may differ from $1,150 to as much as $3,450. This is very expensive for one small employer. And it's about $1,500 to $3,000 to advertise a job on LinkedIn. Now, take into account 97% of the economy of New Zealand comprises of small businesses with a headcount of 20 people or less. For such a small business, paying so much for one job ad is a big deal. So they find their people differently and they advertise differently. Even bigger organizations will not advertise all their jobs on Seek or LinkedIn Jobs because it just costs too much. Here is an example of Becca. Here is an example of an employer who do not advertise all of their jobs or their vacancies on Seek. Let me show you this example. This is Becca and it's their careers website. At the moment, you can see that they have 74 jobs advertised on their website in New Zealand alone. If we now go to Seek and we input Becca here, which is the company's name, you will see that only 5 jobs are advertised on Seek, but 74 are advertised on their website. Given the fact that it's so expensive for one job to be advertised on Seek, this employer would have to fork out a whole lot of money to advertise all these vacancies on Seek. If you knew who this employer was and this was one of your targeted ideal employers, you would have known about all these openings here instead of just seeing 5 on Seek. There are so many other examples like this. If you're targeting a specific employer, maybe check this website first and then compare it with what's advertised on Seek or even in LinkedIn Jobs. On to my next point. Where do they advertise if they advertise online? Better places to find online advertised jobs are Jora, Indeed, and Xuna. All of these are available for Australia, New Zealand, and many other countries. Let me show you what I mean and what the differences are between Seek and LinkedIn and these ones. Where are the better places than Seek and LinkedIn Jobs to find jobs in New Zealand and Australia and potentially even in other countries? If you look at Seek, there will be 16,000 jobs at the moment on Seek in New Zealand. Usually it's around 25 to 30,000 in a really active job market. However, this is the difference here. Seek is a place where employers come to list their jobs. So the job physically has to be advertised on Seek by an employer. Therefore, a place like Seek or even LinkedIn Jobs is a jobs listing website. There are other places where you will find more jobs like Jora. if you compare Jora with Seek here in New Zealand, you will see that there is almost 48,000 jobs listed on Jora. So what's the difference? Jora is a job search engine. In other words, it works like Google. It goes every night and scrapes the internet for jobs in New Zealand, advertise in places like Seek and on employers' websites, and then lists it here. So therefore, you will see many more jobs listed on Jora than what you will see on Seek. Another one is Indeed, who works similarly to Jora but can only scrape certain places on the internet and therefore comes back with fewer jobs. However, there's always between 10 and 20,000 jobs on Indeed. Then there is Atzuna, who works similarly and will come up with different results to Seek and LinkedIn jobs. Then we have another system in New Zealand called TradeMe. TradeMe is a closed system where employers also have to come to advertise their jobs. However, it cannot be scraped by Jora. So these jobs on TradeMe, which covers about 10,000 at the moment, are more for blue-collar workers, and these jobs are exclusive and not advertised on places like Seek or Jora or any of the websites that can scrape other websites. Therefore, if you want to be clever, you should only not just check out Seek for advertised vacancies. You should also go to Jora, where it gets the listed jobs from scraping the websites of employers and other avenues, also Seek. So you can see that there are far more online advertised jobs available on Jora, Indeed and Atzuna. In addition, these employers will also advertise on places like Facebook groups and LinkedIn posts, not LinkedIn jobs. Here are some examples. Additional places to find jobs that are never advertised on Seek or even LinkedIn jobs or even other websites is in Facebook groups, in Facebook posts, or even on LinkedIn. So let's look at a couple of examples. Here you can search in Facebook jobs in, and then your region, your city, or the destination where you're going to. For example, jobs in Dunedin. Dunedin is a city in New Zealand. There are 32,000 members here, and here you can see how companies are advertising jobs here. Remember what I said about the small companies in New Zealand who do not want to advertise on Seek because it's so expensive, or on LinkedIn jobs. You'll see these job ads here, which makes up 50 to 80,000 opportunities that are never advertised on Seek or LinkedIn jobs. And if you hone this down to the country or the destination that you are going to, you'll be able to find a lot of information about vacancies here that you will never see anywhere else. Another avenue is in LinkedIn posts. What I mean by this is a person or a company that is posting on their LinkedIn feed that they are hiring. This is not in LinkedIn jobs. Here are some examples. This is a lady, Leanne DeToy, from Manufacturing Excellence in New Zealand. She is the human advisor or business partner in the company, and she is advertising a job that is part of their company. So this job is not advertised in LinkedIn jobs. It is just advertised in a post. Here you can see more examples. Lynn Johnson is the HR leader at the council, and here she's advertised for a health, safety and well-being coordinator. Stephanie Harders is head of early portfolio at Global Medical Affairs, and she is advertising a job here, etc., etc. You will see a lot of jobs advertised like this in LinkedIn posts, never in LinkedIn jobs. So make sure that you follow the right companies and the right people inside the companies to be able to see these posts come through your newsfeed. So it costs them nothing, but it reaches their network. Here's the thing. If you knew that this was a great employer for you and you followed them, you would have seen this job ad and your competitors would not have. The second reason why finding a job on Seek or LinkedIn jobs is not a good idea is because all of your competitors are also looking there. Yes, everyone else, just like you, thought that this is the only place to look for, and this creates a lot of competitors for you. Using other avenues to find online advertised jobs might give you the edge over them, like I demonstrated with the LinkedIn and Facebook posts. Now, online advertised jobs, the jobs that you can see on Seek or LinkedIn Jobs and even the employer websites are about 20% or less of the market. The other 80% is never advertised online, and here is why.
Here is the biggest part of the hidden job market and also the reasons why this is so. If any employer wants to recruit someone, they will go through this process, no matter the size of the employer. They will first look at who they already know or who has already applied before or who is already in their candidates pool of database of previous people who have expressed interest in working for them. They will dive into that pool, find suitable people there, and call them up. And this has been proven over and over again. This is where you need to be in the candidates pool of these employers. That's the direct approach method that we teach in our elite programs for job seekers around the world. Next, if an employer cannot find someone in the pool, then they will go to their network of people that they already know, their acquaintances, their colleagues, even their friends and family, and they will find someone that can be referred to them or recommended to them to approach. Recommendations and referrals are very powerful, and you're 22 times more likely to find a job or land a job this way than applying online. This is called borrowed credibility. So this employer will go to their network, and therefore you will need to have a network of people that you trust and trust you, that knows your eligibility, knows your availability, that can refer you or recommend you, or that they can reach out to if they have a vacancy. If an employer cannot find someone that way, then they will advertise the job informally. In the previous sections of this video, I've shown you the informal advertising places, Facebook groups, LinkedIn posts, employers' websites. This is where they do not have to pay to advertise this job. This is especially true for smaller companies, and especially economy like New Zealand, where 97% of the economy is made out of smaller organizations with less than 20 people. Here you need to know who your ideal employers are, follow them, get in touch with them, target them, and know what they want so that you can first put your credentials in their pool, have a network of people inside those employers, and in this area here, know where to go to their websites or where they go to advertise their roles. This is absolute targeting. Then, if an employer cannot find someone this way, they will advertise a job. However, these three blocks here represent 80 to 90% of all available opportunities. This is the hidden job market. Here's the thing. Your competitors do not know about this. These are the strategies that I teach my VIP and elite clients to land their jobs and get multiple approaches before they even have to go anywhere where a job is advertised. Now, if an employer couldn't find someone in any of these ways, then they will advertise the job on Seek, or they will get a recruiter to find someone for them. This costs them money. This is expensive for an employer. But here's also the thing. This is where all your competitors are, and this is where you have to compete with everyone else. 95% of candidates go to advertise jobs and try and compete with everyone else. If you want to be clever, you need to be playing around in the hidden job market where your competitors are not and where an employer has not advertised that vacancy yet.
So, saying that, do you need help with finding your next job? You know where to find me. I'm on LinkedIn, so go to LinkedIn, find me there, let me know what you are searching for and how I can help you. Take care.